Want vast trail access, seasonal mountain views, and a fully furnished, low-maintenance home on nearly 17 acres? This rare Vermont retreat combines privacy, convenience, and the beauty of all four seasons. Nature. Step onto the southern-facing covered porch to enjoy breathtaking sunsets over the mountains, or sip your morning coffee while soaking in the peaceful surroundings. The open-concept living space includes a kitchen, dining, and living area with vaulted ceilings and skylights, allowing natural light to flood the home and highlight the quality woodwork throughout. A cozy wood stove provides warmth and ambiance during winter months, making this home comfortable year-round. The loft offers easy potential for an additional bedroom or creative space, while the basement's high ceilings and outdoor access provide ample room for storage, a workshop, or finishing for more living space. The home's current septic system is rated for 3 bedrooms, allowing flexibility for expansion. With fiber internet, propane heat, and a standing seam roof, this home is built for low-maintenance living without sacrificing comfort. It is fully furnished, allowing you to move in and start enjoying the Vermont lifestyle immediately. For outdoor enthusiasts, VAST Snowmobile Trail number 110 is just around the corner, while nearby ski resorts, hiking trails, and quintessential Vermont towns are within easy reach. Whether you are looking for a full-time residence, a vacation getaway, or a rental opportunity with Airbnb potential, this property delivers. Experience the perfect balance of privacy, adventure, and modern comfort. With nearly 17 acres, direct trail access, and all the amenities needed for easy country living, this Vermont property is ready to become your next chapter.